So okay guys, now I have removed the WP Lite plugin. So basically you won't get this error because you will be directly installing that WP plugin from over here. Just click on add new, and after clicking on the add new, you just have to search for WP form over here, or this template will automatically install it. Let's see what just happens. So I was actually getting this error because I had already pre-installed this WP form slide, and if you guys are still having trouble in removing that WP Lite, then do one thing: directly go to your hosting. Let me just tell you all how to do that. um, Basically I have my hosting on this hostinger, so I will directly go to my hosting, and this is basically for tutorial purpose I am telling you all how to remove any plugin which malfunctions. So just directly go to the file manager. Then go to your domain. This is that domain of mine. Then public HTML, then the WP file content, and over here inside of the plugins you will find all your plugins. Okay, so whatever plugin that is creating the problem, you just have to remove that plugin from this place. Okay, so uh, if suppose I want to remove this WooCommerce plugin, then I will select it and I will say delete. Okay, so this is how you can delete plugin. Or if you want to upload any plugin over here, then just click on this upload over here, upload file, select that particular plugin what you want to upload and upload it over here. And make sure that whenever you're uploading, that uploaded file should be in the zip format. And once it gets uploaded over here, then just click on it and then just right click and say extract. Okay, so this is how you can upload your plugins over here. So let me just remove that tab, and let's see whether the template is installed. It is still stuck on the import. Let me just try to install it over again. I will say cancel, and I will say import complete site, skip and import, skip and import, and this import. Okay, so now it is installing the WP Forms Lite plugin on its own. Let's see whether this time it is working or not. Okay, so currently it is also importing some other content related to this theme. So let's just wait for a while. Okay, so now there is one issue over here. It says WordPress debug mode is currently enabled, and you can add the following code into the wp config file to disable the debug mode. So let's just copy this and wp config.php. Okay, so now you just have to come over here, this theme editor, right click and open in a new tab. It says wp config.php. Okay, so we have to search for this file. Just scroll down click on I understand, and wp-config.php is not present over here. Let's just go to the plugin editor, right click and open the plugin editor, and we have to search for wp-config.php. So okay guys, this config.php, this wp-config.php file is actually present inside of our cpanel. So wherever you have taken your hosting, just directly go to that particular place. Just scroll down, search for file manager. I'm actually showing you guys the detailed tutorial of how to resolve your errors. Click on the domains, click on the domain file public HTML. Then over here you will find that wp config. Okay, so just click on this, click on download, and it will be getting downloaded. Okay, so just say show in folder. This is that file. Just right click and just say cut, and let me just put it on desktop. Okay, so this is that file. So just right click on it, click on edit with notepad, okay. So currently this notepad is editing few things over here. Okay, so now just click on edit with notepad, and then just scroll down, and we basically just have to search for this define wp debug. So just copy this, come over here, and let's just see whether there is a search option present over here or not. Click on find, and paste that over here, and click on find next. Okay, so you can't find a text. Let's just try to find something like only this much thing. Okay, we'll try to find wp debug. Okay, so this is not working, so let's do one thing. We have to search it manually. Okay, so guys, do one thing, copy this, just go to the hostinger, click on this file, right click, click on edit. Just be careful with all these options. Okay, just come down below, and over here you can put this code, paste it, and click on save. Okay, so now let's just see whether this is working or not. Click on import complete site, and at least now this should work. Okay, so import has started already. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now it's been saying import is successful and everything has been imported successfully. So now click on this visit site, and we are not able to see the changes. So now let's just go to the themes, and okay, so now it's been saying changes have been implemented, and now we are able to see our website. Okay, so now our theme is imported, and this is how our website would look. Okay, so currently as you can see over here, there are some errors. These actually don't look like our demo site, which we will see, which we will be able to fix in the future. But as of now, most of the aspects of this website is working fine. So even at the top, we are getting these two pages, two thing have been replicated over here, which we can fix. Okay, so this is how you can import theme. Thanks for watching.